Hello guys, welcome to another one. This time I'm gonna be introducing myself. I've been posting a couple videos and some people they might know me, some other people they don't. So my name is Angel. I work on Hyundai cars. I build them, fix them, or trying to do the best. Usually I work on the 1.6 engines and the 2.0s or 2.4s. The V6 I don't like them that much. I'm gonna be talking why do I getting into Hondas. I used to be a Honda head back when I was younger. I used to have EF, EG, DC, EKs, Accords. I used to have a couple of Accords too. Until what time I had Acura Integra, the old school, like I think it's a D8 it's called, which is the 2000 98 something like that, where something in those years it's old. So on one time they stole that car from me, and that was the point that I was like, I'm done with Honda. I don't want to know nothing else about Hondas. I've been a mechanic for a long time already, but not to the point that I like to work for other people, because I don't like to be working that much for other people because people are picky. And I do this job because it's my fun to work on it. It's not my regular job, it's my hobby. This is a hobby for me because I know how to work on them. If you guys think I use the same clothes, I don't. Um, these clothes I used to be for another job that I used to have. I'm not using them because I'm not gonna throw them away. So if you guys see me in the videos with the same clothes, it's not because I'm reusing them, but they're dirty. But it's not that they're dirty from a couple days ago. Alright, I'm gonna be introducing a couple cars. Well, all these cars I'm gonna be introducing, they're mine. It's not that I'm paying for the bank and nothing like that. They're completely mine. It's only one car that is not mine. So I'm gonna be talking about the names that I named them, and the other cars. Basically, it's for me to work on them and sell them because I have my regular job. Right, I work only on this on the weekends or when I got time off. So let's go and start talking about my couple cars. Okay, first car. You guys might know this car is Black Beauty Avante. Why I call it like this? Because when I bought this car, it was pretty clean and beautiful on black. But now it got, you know, little details and stuff like that, and dents and stuff like that. But I still like the name, so I still gonna keep it like that. It's gonna be Black Beauty Avante. On this car I did the big turbo built, which not in my time where I did it, it was almost nobody working on these cars, and if they were working it was only a tune or downpipe and stuff like that. So after I built mine, it was like two more cars that they were doing this. When I built mine, then everything started blowing up with these engines. But these engines are really small, and people they don't like them because they blow up fast or they don't got the horsepower that you want to do. And that's one of the reasons that I like to do something differently. So this is the other side. Now I'm gonna be going to my second car. Second car right here, we got the F-150, but I don't call it like that. I call her the Cherokee. Why? I don't know. I saw it one time, I was like, oh, this is the Cherokee, even though it's a F-150. This car, I bought it on the action, and the engine blew out. So we've removed the engine and we built it completely. So this engine is completely 0 miles. Well, now it got like 3,000 miles or 4,000, but even though that this little engine with the V6, it can pull a 350, obviously not fast, and obviously it won't brake that much, but it can pull it with no hesitation. Next one. So this is my third car. Because of this car, that's when I start getting into the Hyundai head, because these Hyundai heads, or these Hyundai cars, back then, before the Kia boys start coming out, you can leave these cars even running on a parking lot with the keys on, windows down, and nobody will steal them. But the Kia boys start coming out, and now everyone has to be locking their Kias or Hyundais, which I hate that. But I've been having this car for maybe like 16 years. This is a 2000 Hyundai Accent. I really love this car. It's really slow. It got only like 80 horsepower, but I mean, it has been everything for me. My pickup truck, my sleeping car, my hanging out car, and my slow car. If you guys do get this type of engines, this one's a 1.5. This block, it got like 300,000 miles, and it has never blown out. Yes, it will eat the oil, but it has never blown out. And that's one of the reasons, or another reasons too, that I don't sell it. Why is this car and that one, I will never sell them, especially this one. I might get that one, but this one, nope, that one is not gonna go nowhere. I have replaced the head a couple times, yes. That's the only bad thing about it. The AC blows pretty cool, and I mean, the car is completely pretty good. Yes, it does need a paint job. Alright guys, now we're going to be talking about my projects and all the cars that I have for sale. Like I said, all these cars, I got titles and everything, they're for sale, but I like to fix them and then I sell them. So if you guys do want to get interested in one of the cars, you guys can message me in Instagram, and then we talk numbers about there. I'm gonna be showing you the cars. This one is the first one, Veloster 1.6 automatic, regular. It's turbo. This one is the other one, Rally. Red clothing, manual transmission. I do that so they don't steal it, Kia boys. And this one has 72,000 miles, and this one has a completely rebuilt 0-mile engines. Now this one, it runs and everything, but the first gear is not clicking in. This one is a 1.6 regular Veloster, non-turbo. This one is completely good. Like I said, I'm a Honda head. So this one, the issue that I need to fix that clutch, and after that, we're good. Next one. This one. It's gonna be a Veloster Turbo. That's a white pearl manual transmission. This engine is completely 0 miles, but I need to keep fixing it. I don't know why it keeps getting damaged, the engine. Now this one, automatic 1.6 turbo, rebuilt engine too, 0 miles. This one, I need to find out why it keeps turning on the lights for the oil. But after that, it will be for sale because it's already done, almost. Next one, Hyundai Elantra Sport, automatic DCT 7-speed. So this one, it turns on and everything. It's a little bit high on mileage. It It's not built or nothing like that. And this one I need to fix the transmission because it doesn't want to get reverse on it. So I mean, it runs and everything, it's just that it doesn't want to go back. Now we're gonna be going to the next one. Now we're gonna be going to the big boys. Look at that. And yes, this one, I got the title and everything. It's for sale. This one has been done with the muffler, big muffler, those rims. But I need to show you what happened on this one. It's missing the front bumper. You got that. You got the forge, I don't know, coolant or whatever it is. I haven't worked on these cars, so it's brand new for me. You got this, that, but fun times. AFE, they got a good record of breaking engines, and that's what happened with this engine. It blew out. So I mean, the car is completely good. As you can see, I got it from the auction. It's everything good. Stick shift, but that tune, it killed this car. So be careful if you guys use AFE. And we're gonna be going to the last one, and this is the last one. Another end. I'm missing the whole front, headlights, bumper. This car was crashed in the front, as you guys can see. What was the whole deal about this car and this car? I want to swap that engine to here. That's my next project that I want to do. But as you guys can hear, this engine is running, so it's pointless for me to remove this to that. So I'm gonna have to buy another end so I can fix this one and that one over there, so I can sell this ones, because it's gonna be pointless. This one is a stick shift. I need to fix that too. Big muffler too. Don't ask me about this because I don't know that much about ends. That too. It has a good AC. And high mileage. That's the only bad thing. So this one, I'm gonna end up fixing it, and then it's gonna be for sale. But after I finish with this one, well, not finish, but getting it into a better position, then I'm gonna buy another end so I can do the swap. So I need to find a solder or somebody who can do custom builds and stuff like that to do this build, because that's my next project, to put this one to be racing like an end. All right guys, thank you for watching my little story about me, and I see you on the next one.